आज हमारे साथ एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस है who has always stunned her fans and we are really excited about her upcoming character Laila in the movie Margarita with a Straw. So firstly I would like to know about your character Laila and your journey in Margarita with a Straw.
Yeah, I play this character Laila who has cerebral palsy, which is a disability where you have a motor skill disorder. It doesn't affect your intellect or your emotions. So she's a very interesting character because she's very chalu. She's very she makes a lot of mistakes. She breaks hearts. She also has her heart broken. She wears her heart on her sleeve a lot. And एक teenage लड़की है who has a lot of hormones, who's excited about love, and who's kind of feeling her way through life and trying to grow up and understand herself. I think ultimately she's trying to understand herself first through others and finally by looking at herself.
So Shanali, I would love to know, did you have Kalki in your mind as, the first choice always?
So she read the script, nobody else had. And right away she called us and said she'd love to do the film. And I said, well, you'll have to test for it. And she said, oh, I want to test for it more than you want me to test. To understand that need of concentration to be in the skin of this person, there's no other person who understood that.
So I know it was really challenging playing Laila and the way you were preparing for it. Can you just take us through how you actually, मतलब कैसे आपने prepare किया?
हाँ, शोनाली सिस्टर मालिनी जब has cerebral palsy, तो उनके साथ बहुत वक्त बिताए, हम साथ डिनर के लिए गए, बाहर गए सिनेमा में, तो और फिर मैं उसके घर में रह गई, उसके काम पे गई, एक डिसेबिलिटी सेंटर में अडैप्ट, जहाँ पे बाकी लोग काफ़ी लोग हैं जिसको सेरेब्रल पॉल्सी है, और मैंने देखा कि कैसी है प्राइवेट लाइफ में मम्मी के साथ और एक कंफर्ट जोन में, और फिर पब्लिक के सामने कैसे लोग घूरते हैं उसको और उन लोगों को समझते नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है, तो अजीब सा पिटी बेचारी काइंड ऑफ लुक्स देते हैं, तो ये सारे वो साइकोलॉजिकली भी अफेक्ट करती है, ऐसे नहीं कि सिर्फ फिजिकली.
Did you feel it when you were actually in the skin of Laila playing the character? Did you feel all these?
Actually बिल्कुल, या बिकॉज आई वॉज 2 महीने के लिए जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, मैं एज लाइला इन द चेयर में बैठी रही, तो तब मुझे समझ में आया क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग मुझे पहचाने नहीं और ऐसे घूरते थे और पूछते थे क्या हुआ उसको, क्या प्रॉब्लम है बेचारी, ऐसे बोलते थे.
Do you think people who are actually suffering from cerebral palsy, do you think they actually need that kind of a sympathy?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, and I think that's one beautiful thing in the script. And if you meet Malini, they don't feel pity for themselves because she's born with it. It's, she's lived with it all her life. So it's the other people around who are making it uncomfortable for her rather than this. So definitely that's something. And one funny thing was मेरी सेट पे एक दादा था जो देवदी में था, और उन्होंने मेरे एक्टिंग देखा वहाँ, और यहाँ पे सिर्फ व्हील चेयर में एज लाइला देखा, तो उन्होंने किसी को पूछा कि वो एक्सीडेंट में थी क्या, कितनी अच्छी बात है कि अभी भी एक्टिंग करती है, वाह 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 एंड ऑल. सो ही थॉट आई वाज रियली डिसेबल्ड फ्रॉम दैट. या
So now this movie has actually got a lot of attention, awards internationally. What are you expecting in the Indian market? What kind of a response are you expecting here from the audience?
I think I'm very excited because I have great faith in the Indian audience. So I make my films for India, and this is my first big release of any film. But obviously one feels nervous too because it has been seen by celebrities, it has been seen by press, etc., and we have amazing response there. But what the public is going to feel, one will only know on Friday.
Laila is a confused character in herself, okay? She's innocent, sweet, chalu, and I want to know, so when she comes across this another female in the movie and there is a special bond that they share, how difficult was it to actually do that?
Actually, we had a great time because Khanum is played by Shayani Gupta, who's a friend of mine, and she's somebody who's also very eager to learn, and she spent a lot of time working. Khanum is blind in the film, visually impaired, so she spent a lot of time blindfolding herself and getting used to the darkness, understanding what that's like and stuff. So I think we were both on the same page in terms of rehearsal. We got a lot of time because of Shonali to rehearse those scenes together. So when we got on set, of course it was really intimidating क्योंकि 10-15 लोग के सामने ऐसे करना है तो मुश्किल है और बार बार करना मुश्किल है, लेकिन I think we were well prepared for it.
Release के बाद, I mean, what are you expecting from your friends? What are you expecting from them?
I'm excited. I'm very excited. Already, कुछ मेरे friends आए for screening. Gulshan Devaya and Richa Chadda and Aditi Rao. So I think it's been great to hear their responses. They've all come out crying from the film, laughing and crying. So that's fantastic. I'm very excited to see how everybody else will react.
How about like one challenging scene or moment that you had while shooting for the film?
Actually, there's a challenging scene which is not in the film. Do you know?
This is going to be interesting.
Tell them about it. The bathroom, going to the loo.
Yes.
So there's a beautiful scene in the film, but it's a 5-minute take, so it was too long, and so they decided to not have it in, because there's many scenes, of course, which get cut when you're making a film. So this was one of those scenes, but it was awesome and difficult to do. Probably one of the most difficult scenes in the film, where Laila is in college. And it's one of her first days in college, and she needs to go to the washroom. And there's no nurse, there's no assistant, there's nobody to help her. And the loo doesn't have a disabled access. And so she really, really struggles. And it's a 5-minute struggle where the camera didn't cut and took the whole action of me trying to get to the loo. And she almost makes it, but she pees her pants. So that was the scene. And it was probably one of the most challenging scenes.
All right. So, apart from the movie right now, there was something that was going viral since the past few days, which is Deepika's My Choice video. I really want to know what's your take towards that video about.
I just don't want to talk about it because every time I have, people use it as say that I'm making publicity for Margarita. So I don't want to talk about Deepika's video while we're promoting Margarita.
All right. So, one thing that the audience should keep in their mind when they go out to watch this movie.
That it's a fun film, it's an entertaining film, and on top of being fun and entertaining, it'll just steal your heart with her brilliant performance and the story.
How do you think, Kalki, should they look at Laila, the character you're playing?
Look at it like you look at yourself, like when you were a teenager. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being with us. This is Supriya with cameraman Faizan for Bollywood Now.